Okay, everybody, here we go. So as I said, we are going to now learn how to use the Daf Yomi on Mercava. If you don't have an account in Mercava, then you can create one, and if you don't, then Daf Yomi button. Can't remember if it's on this corner or this corner, but you'll see one will say this week's Parsha, and then the other one will say Daf Yomi. So if you do have your own account like I do, then it'll just show up on your dashboard, or I think this is called the dashboard. So I'm going to click on Daf Yomi, and boom, I'm here, Daf Yomi. Shabbat 17a, Yud Zayin Amud Aleph. And as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. You have the daf as it looks in any Gemara, except for all the extra goodies on the side, just basically Rashi and Tosfot and the Gemara. It's pretty straightforward. If you hit your, you can either click, actually, you can click to navigate phrase to phrase, or you can use your directional arrow to go forward and then backwards. Very simple. You get a phrase to phrase translation here. If for some reason you don't like the translation, not that you don't like it, but if you're if for some reason you don't want it there, you have this thing called the I don't know what this is called, but basically a little tray that slides up with some options here, and you can select to have less of the translation. Okay, see all the nice nifty things with the in non-bold kind of disappear, and then that's now you just have expanded translation, and then you click to more and you get literal, but I guess we don't have the expanded translation in this particular phrase. Anyway, and then you can have no translation, so if you just want to have no translation, there you go. Okay, so let's go back up to big translation. You can also switch to the Hebrew translation, which is pretty cool. Let's see, boom, beautiful. Also similar situation here, you can reduce it down here, you can see the different levels of translation much better, and then no translation. Got it? Okay, fine. So let's go back to English. I'm presuming that all of you guys are going to be learning English. If you notice, actually, my Rashi and Tosfot here are in regular katav, in block letters, as we say. So if you want to change that, you can just jump over here to the little Rashi. In fact, when you see this first, you might actually end up seeing this with just with Katav Rashi like this, and then you'll have to go here, open up the little tray here to actually then get it to switch it into block. Okay, now this is a awesome one here. See this guy? That's a little vowel. Okay, watch this. You click on this, boom, vowels. Look at that. Rashi, Tosfot, Gemara, everything totally voweled. Isn't that awesome? And then watch this. Boom, block letters. It's like easy as cake. Okay, and you can even learn Katav Rashi much better this way. This is like one of my favorite things. I've always loved it. I still love it. And also too, if you need help with, and if you notice some of the words actually don't have vowels, which they have an AI engine, artificial intelligence engine, so I've been told, and apparently that's how they did all this. So that's how you'll see some words don't have vowels, while other ones do, and sometimes the vowels aren't always 100% correct, but apparently you can actually, there's some sort of tool that they have where you can actually fix it, but I don't know if I have it here. I guess I don't. Anyway, so that's that. So here you go. You can learn. It's look at this. Anyway, so that's that, and I'm going to do another video where I'll show you guys how to use the markup tool so you can actually start to highlight phrases in the Gemara. So here. This is not highlighting, by the this is just navigating with the blue thing. So I'll show you highlighting next time. Thanks, enjoy, and here you go. It's great, yeah. By the way, I'm also going to do videos on to explain Tanakh, learning Chumash, Tanakh, whatever, and also Mishnah as well, and some other unique, cool things that I've discovered here. Okay, bye bye.